Hi guys, welcome to Perseverance Software Training Institute. I'm Sai. I'm a technical tutor at Perseverance. All right, so now let's check out what we need to learn for obtaining the skill and obtaining the expertise of front-end technologies, front-end, right? Front-end component. All right, so we should learn HTML, right? Hypertext markup language, CSS, cascading style sheets, JS, JavaScript, jQuery, and Bootstrap. So these five are really useful for for you to ensure that you grab the skill of front end technologies so that you can develop impressive, interactive, flawless, smooth interfaces, user interfaces. All right. So when we talk about it's like when we talk about front end technologies, we can simply use HTML to create front end UI. But why we use CSS is CSS is for styling, JS is for enabling the interactions, and jQuery Bootstrap can be or cannot be added in the stack. So it's up to us how we deal with this, right? So if there are no interactions and you need a website with no interactions in it, so you can simply go with HTML and maybe even CSS for styling. HTML is all about designing the structure of your front end UI, user interface. UI go for user interface. CSS is for styling your front end UI, like the colors you see, everything as such, right? The designs and all. I mean, design in the sense the alignment of text, everything as such, font color and all. And the JS is for enabling the interactions. If you see a website, like if you go to facebook.com and if you're able to give user ID and password there, so definitely that enables the interaction. All right. So that interaction is all about, you know, enabling the uh, interactions between the front end, between you and front end, meaning we also have backend and databases, definitely. All right, that is the case there. And jQuery Bootstrap will be used for these are like some add-ons to be used. All right, so this is all about front-end technologies. And if you want to become a front-end developer, all right, the role for this is front-end developer. And if you want to become a front-end developer, you should know all this. All right, so bare minimum HTML is fine, but if you want to style, go for CSS. If you want to add interactions, go for JS, JavaScript. If you want to, and jQuery Bootstrap also helps us in interactions and styling, etc. All right, that's it. Yeah, so when we talk about the backend component, right, so it depends on the backend language you choose. If you want to become a full stack Python developer, the the stack which have been highlighted here, presented here, right? So we should learn this expertise. We should be expert at this, right? So first is Python. And so if you want to become a full stack Python developer, you should know Python with Django framework. Framework is something which helps us to build the backend component, right? All right, so for Python it is Django. We have many other, like Flask is one of the other example of Python's backend framework. But the thing is, Django is the most popular and most uh, it's the most popular framework which has many libraries, meaning for now we can tell that many features to be used which are already pre-built. All right, so we can just go for it and use it, so instead of developing everything from scratch. And SQLite is a DB, so that's it. So we are here, like, to explain you about what are all the front end technologies and back end technologies when you learn Python full stack. If it is Java full stack, for example, so the front end will not change, only the back end will change. For Java, we will go for Spring Boot. It goes on like that. So depending on the backend language you choose, you should learn corresponding framework of the backend. All right, that's it, guys. Yeah, thanks for your time. Bye bye.